In a bright neighborhood, a silly inventor barters jokes for snacks, turning every kitchen into a playground of chuckles. Kids and grown-ups join, trading puns for tiny prop trophies as the fridge door opens to a rainbow portal. A dancing milk carton leads the parade, while a soap bubble chorus corrects everyone with squeaky, fearless giggles. Even adults forget their worries, learning quick math from cookies that subtract frowns and add surprise smiles. By sunset, the block becomes a stage where families perform tiny jokes, sealing memories with hearty, shared laughter.